so hello guys, and I'm back. Again, my name is Tui and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to discuss how to create your own YouTube channel. So this is help for all the beginners like me, and I hope na may matutunan kayo sa video na ito. So let's go ahead and start the tutorial. Alright, so first off, you wanted to open up a browser. I would recommend you to use a Google Chrome for this. Okay? And, alright, and for the email, okay, mas pipiliin kong gumamit tayo ng Gmail aside from the other email provider out there. Okay, so Gmail tayo. Let's hit Gmail. Okay. And as you can see, nare-recognize niya yung account ko na main account ko. So just click use another account. Okay. Tapos dito sa medyo bandang ibaba, makikita mo dito yung create account. So just click create account and pwede mong piliin yung for myself kung ang YouTube channel mo ay pang sarili mo lang talaga or to manage my business, para naman kung ang YouTube channel mo na gagawin after nitong email ay para sa business mo rin. So para sa akin, I just select for myself since naggagawa lang naman tayo ng tutorial. Okay? And first name, you can say Dummy. Sorry. Dummy. And last name, YouTube. Alright? That's fine. Okay, pagdating sa username, ito, this is very tricky kasi hindi mo pwedeng gamitin yung dummyyoutube@gmail.com or hindi mo pwedeng gamitin yung youtubedummy@gmail.com. So, Google is very strict in terms of username. So, gawin nating YouTube. Alright? So, pinutol natin siya. Dummy. Tatlong M. 001. Okay? So, hindi na ngayon tayo gumamit ng common words because iba yung spelling niya. So, again, let's create a strong password for this one. As what you can see, nare-recommenda ng Google na gumamit tayo ng 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. So, for me, ako isang password lang naman talaga lagi kong ginagamit. And there you go. So sana hindi nyo yan malaman. Anyway, just kidding. Let's hit next. Kung sigurado na kayo sa password nyo. Alright, so tinanggap ni Google yung name na YouTube Dummy na tatlong M na 001@gmail.com. So again, this will be asking for your phone number. This is actually for the security of your account. So, pwede tayong pumili. Again, it's very important for the security of your account and for the recovery as well. Okay? Para kung sakaling malimutan mo yung password or username, makakahingi tayo ng tulong, makakapag-send sila ng link or codes, anything, para lang mabuksan mo ulit yung email. Okay, so recovery email, again, this is optional. Pwede kang maglagay kung may iba ka pang email or kung wala, okay lang din. Just making sure na isulat mo yung password mo and gamitin mo lagi yung phone number na nilagay natin dito for verification. Okay? Okay, so birthday. Pwede natin January 1, 1994. Alright. Gender, so bahala. Siyempre sa akin, male. Okay? I don't want to offend anyone. Just clarifying things. Okay? Then hit next. Alright, so verify your phone number. You have an option. Not now, or you can, I would recommend for you to send the, or get the verification number kung itutuloy mo yung email na to for your YouTube channel Pero kung hindi, I can select not now. Again, para lang sa tutorial na to. And then hit agree. Let's wait for it. Alright, so now Google is creating your personal or your own email that you will use dun sa gagawin nating a YouTube channel. Okay? Just a few more moments. Hindi naman to sa internet connection ko. Usually, it actually takes time for Google to create one. Just a few seconds lang naman. Especially if you have good internet connection. There you go. So, welcome. Meron na tayong email. Salamat kay Google. Alright. So, default lang natin to. Yan. So, ito na yung pinakang email natin. Wala pa siyang laman. Alright. Again, guys, remember yung email. You can always go here and click. So, ito yung email natin. Ewan ko ba't dalawa yan. Pero, yun. YouTubeDummy001@gmail.com. Okay? So, hindi mo kailangan itong gayahin. You can create your own anytime. Alright? So, cool. Let's move forward. So, ngayon, punta naman tayo ng YouTube. Meron ako dito. Meron din ako dito. So, dito na lang. Yan. YouTube channel. Alright. So, dito na makikita mo pa rin yung email natin. Napakagaling talaga ng Google Chrome. Okay. So, sign in. Sa-sign in muna tayo. Kailangan nating mag-sign in. Kadalasan, if you are using Google Chrome, mare-recognize na yan ng Google Chrome kung anong email yung gamit mo for logging in. So, pinindot mo siya na isang beses. Diba? Lumabas pa rin yung sign in button. Pindutin mo lang siya ng pangalawang beses. Para sa akin usually it happens. And then, it will automatically sign you in sa YouTube using your email na kaka-create mo lang. So, let's double check just to make sure tama ang email na napuntahan natin or email na nagamit na YouTube. So, let's click this one and there you go. So, we have our YouTubeDummy001@gmail.com. So, that was perfect. Okay? Napakatalino ng Google Chrome. Hindi kagaya dati. So, ngayon, eto, gagawa na tayo ng YouTube channel. So, kung nakita nyo, ito yung pinindot ko kanina dito sa medyo upper right. Okay? This is within YouTube YouTube website. So, pindutin nyo lang siya like that. And then here, the very first option para sa'yo is to create a channel. So, just click it. Okay, click. Alright, and you can see your creator journey begins. Right? So, let's get started. Okay, so choose how to create your channel. So, gusto mo pa baguhin yung pangalan mo, dito ka sa use a custom name, or ayaw mo nang baguhin, kagaya na rin ng nasa email mo. So, dami YouTube. So, you just need to select this one. So, para sa akin, gamitin mo na lang yung sa email mo. But then again, this is your own YouTube channel. Do whatever you want. You have the option, maximize it. Okay? Gamitin mo nang gamitin. Pero wag aabusuhin siya. Alright. So, I'm selecting the first option. Dami YouTube yung pangalan natin dito. Okay, so it's taking a while. Alright. Good job. Meron na tayong your channel, Dami YouTube, has been created. Okay, so dito sa page na to ng YouTube, it's very basic. It will just ask you to update all the necessary information na makikita ng mga subscribers mo in the future. So, for example, meron tayo ditong for the profile para sa mga larawan o profile picture natin. So, yan, dito mo siya ma-update or dito ka makakapag-upload ng picture. And dito naman sa part na to, next part, tell viewers about your channel. So, very self-explanatory naman to. Just write everything related to your channel. You can say how-tos. Okay. How-tos. Yan, pwede yan. And then, guides to better future. Pwede ring comedy. Comedy. Pwede ring drama. pwede ring travel. Again, the sky is the limit for the description as long as it can be easily understood by your viewers and especially your subscribers. So, ganun lang guys. Ngayon, meron na tayong YouTube channel and pwede ko na itong i-save or pwede, para sa akin, ngayon hindi ko muna siya save, pero dito sa bandang baba, meron pa palang option na nagutang ko na. So, add links to your sites. Okay? So, kung meron kang website na ginagamit like blogs, article blogs, any website na related or let's say pwede mong i-relate sa YouTube channel mo, then just go ahead and add it here. You can add the URL. Same goes with Facebook. Kung may Facebook ka, ayan, ito, dito mo lang siya ilalagay. Twitter, what else? So, we have Instagram. Okay? So, yan ang basic details na you might wanna update before you go ahead and proceed to the actual channel. Pero ngayon, for me, I would select set up later. Okay, since this is a dummy account. Pero para sa'yo, I would recommend to update everything, your profile picture, your description, the description of your channel, the links that you have. This is very important to gather more viewers and subscribers, especially if you have a lot of, friends on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, followers. They can also follow you on YouTube. And that's actually a secret. Alright, so I would select setup later. Alright, and there you go. So now we have our YouTube channel. So this is actually the dashboard of your YouTube channel. So you can see here the home, trending. You can actually, I would recommend for you to watch trendings because if you are doing random videos and you wanted to gain more subscribers and viewers, dito ka sa trending pupunta. Alright? You might wanna like copy what they're doing or create almost the same or related to that topic. Ayos yun. Alright, so guys, I think we're cool. One more thing, once you already created your YouTube channel, meron nga pala dito tinatawag tayo na YouTube Studio. Alright, so hindi pa siya ganun ka-confirm or let's say stable website or option for YouTube, but this is very helpful. Kapag pumunta ka dyan sa YouTube Studio mo, okay, this is still on a beta status, meaning to say this is not yet fully released. They're still working on it. Alright, so okay, explore the new YouTube Studio. Got it. There you go. So almost the same as the dashboard on your YouTube channel, but again it has a lot of more options and give you a good view of your actual page, your actual channel. So this is where you edit everything. Alright, and I think we're good. So again, thank you so much guys for watching and stay tuned for the next videos. Okay, I'll make more tutorials for you guys. Salamat ng marami. Alright.